All right. There's the 25 foot. Okay. Entry, and to the right is the bedroom. TV hookup on that wall. There is a backer in that wall to hang a TV. Storage underneath the queen bed. Here is your main living. TV hookup on this wall. Reclining chairs. And then that is your sofa here that does fold all the way up against the wall and lays down into a bed out here as well. And then the table, which is movable to anywhere you would like it. Bathroom with a standing shower, nice tall ceilings. All right. Stereo, speakers on the inside and out, electric awning with LEDs.